Okay, on the mixed stoichiometry practice problems, we're going to have them all mixed up. So we're going to be using either moles to moles, moles to grams, grams to moles, or grams to grams. I'm not going to use any of these on the bottom here. Those are in the next unit that you will do. Okay, so pick out, what do I know, what do I want to know? Just like here, what's the given, what is the want, and then we know what we're going to do. Okay, so for example, let's look at number 2. It says a 17 grams of ammonia, and it's telling you ammonia is this NH3, react. How many moles of copper 2 oxide are needed? Okay, so what do I know? I know that I've got 17 grams of ammonia, and I want to know how many moles of copper 2 oxide. So this is copper oxide, and that's copper 2, okay, because on the other side, what do we have? Nitrogen gas, copper, and water. Okay, so this is going to be grams to moles. So I know I'm going to set up my train tracks, and it's going to take 2 train tracks to get there, and I'm just going to follow along. Okay, so pick out, what do I know, what do I want to know, and do the correct calculation. Let me know if you have any questions.